Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset app preferences in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon and here you will see a reset app preferences option. So tap on this option and here click on reset to confirm. So when you will tap on reset, then this will reset all your preferences for disabled apps, notification restriction for apps, default apps, background data restrictions for apps, and permission for restrictions. So tap on reset if you want to reset the app preferences, otherwise click on cancel. So that's how you can reset app preferences in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.